Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Pam, Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you an envelope that I got that's part of a collab that Allison's Pantry&Crafts had started. This is her baby, and there is 3 of us going to be involved in it. It's Amber Scott and Shona. I'm not sure if those 2 have YouTube channels, but I will link Allison's channel down below in the description box so you can check out her opening. And if she has links on there, she will also link it down below as well. So this is the collab, and what we do is we send each other packages every month, and we have to come up with ideas what to make. So it's a mystery. I have no idea what she's sending. Pretty excited. This is supposed to be a Christmas theme one. So I'm going to put you on pause and turn you around and let's see what we got here. Okay, so here I am, pretty excited about what I see in the package so far. I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get it opened up. Oh my gosh, look at all these goodies. Holy moly. Oh my. Okay. Don't mind my messy workspace. Wow, look at all these goodies. All these Christmas goodies. Look at all this. Oh my gosh. There's a lot to choose from here. So first I got some craft fabric. Look at that. So neat. And she wrote me a note. Hope you like. You can use, this is my first time doing collab swaps, sending mixtures of new and de-stash. Happy crafting, enjoy, Amber. Thank you so much, Amber. So I got some of the fabric, and ooh, I got some bows. Look at that. I love these bows. Love them, love them, love them. And then I got these cards. Look at the cards. Aren't those cute puppies? You know, puppies are always cute, right? Oh, so cute. I like that. And then we got some of these. Wow, she sent all kinds of crafty stuff, didn't she? Oh my gosh. I was going to make an embellishment box, and I think I know what I'm going to do with some of this stuff. So, oh my goodness, look at that. So pretty. And then we got these twos and froms. So nice. And oh my goodness, look at these. I love angels. Look at that. These are foam sheet angels. My Dollar Tree is very small, so they have usually nothing. So yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then it looks like we got a little cute box that we can make. Awesome. And some stickers, because you always can't get enough stickers. Wow, Amber, thank you. Okay, and then we got these clips. Look at this. Aren't those cute? Candy canes, and then another to and from. Wow. I got all kinds of goodies. Ooh, look at this washi tape. It says good night. Wow, I like that. That. And then look at these stickers. Those are adorable. And some doilies. Super cute. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to put my thinking cap on. Oh, look. Like a stenciling thing. Isn't that cute? And then, oh, look at this. That is pretty. You know, you can use that in like one of your journals or something. I like that. Look at that. I'm going to read that. That's beautiful. And some paper. Oh my gosh. Look at this paper. Always need extra paper. Okay, we'll go through that last. And I got some of these. Oh, aren't they cute? And there's a reindeer. These are adorable. Season greetings. And we got some awesome ribbon. And a card. You can put that on anything. I'm excited. I gotta get some ideas written down. I love these cards though. And it says, you deserve happy things the holiday can hold, and then some. Merry Christmas. Christmas is certainly going to be different this year. In my house anyway. And then we got some washi tape. And some cute, like I showed the other ones, paper clips. And some felt stickers. Oh, we got some more cute things for an embellishment box. Oh, and some die cuts. Look at that. Reindeer. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh, so cute. Get all these die cuts over here. Oh my gosh. Look at these foamy things. Oh, I love them. Look at these tags. Aren't they cute? Oh, and more trees. And let's see, another tree. And some foam. See, you can put the present in the tree, or the tree, the present. Yeah. And then another one. And some card stuff that you can put on stuff. I love it. I love the paper on here. And I got some tags. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I love everything I got. And then the paper. Let's take a look at the paper. Isn't that pretty paper? Oh, look at that. Oh, these have notes on them, right? Yep. Cute paper. Oh, I can't wait to make some stuff out of these. This one. Wow, I'm really excited. All right, guys, what do you all think? Let me know down below. I believe what we have planned is next Friday, if I believe. And Allison, let me know if that's correct. If it's next Friday, we show what we make on these. Yeah, so I cannot wait to show you what I've made. Just one second. So what'd you all think? I hope you enjoyed this collab. I hope you like what I put in here. I'm going to link Allison's channel down below. And yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to make these awesome gifts. I got to really put my brain there and try and figure it out. So yeah, this is exciting. All right, guys, if you haven't already, can you subscribe to my channel? Oh, please leave a comment. I need comments and views. If you could just watch my video, I greatly appreciate it. And like, and yeah, and hit the notification bell. I'm also on Instagram, and I have a Facebook like page, and I'm on Twitter, and I will also link those down below. And on Thursday, I'll have a little haul for you guys. So I'm hoping that you'll stay tuned for that. All right, everyone. You all take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye.